And the match is to go. Cesaro with an uppercut and then a German suplex. Roman Reigns with a German suplex. Look at that. A fast-paced match. Look at Eddie. Watch out. And a fucking DDT. Cesaro is going to hit the neutralizer. Wait, watch out. Eddie hits him doing the super neutralizer. Seth Rollins, Daniel Bryan, Dean Ambrose, Cesaro, Roman Reigns, and Eddie Guerrero are down. I don't think no one's going to get up. Wait, watch out. Eddie's up. You can win it all. Pin Dean Ambrose. You can be the unified champion. You can win it all. And he kicks out. How pretty. Eddie in frustration. So much frustration he has. He goes for an elbow drop. Watch out. Seth Rollins is getting up. And Eddie being a showstopper. He's going for Seth Rollins. Watch out. Watch out. Texas Power Driver. Nail it. Watch out for Dean. Watch out for Daniel Bryan. Right knee and he reverses him to the powerbomb. Dean Ambrose, watch out, watch out. Ooh, what a punch. Rebound lariat. He keeps going. Watch out. Dirty leads. Lights up for Eddie. Watch out for Cesaro. He's going to let Cesaro swing. Look at the strength that Cesaro possesses. He's spinning him like a rag doll. I think you know what's next. Sharpshooter. Woo. Superman punch, and then one for himself. Ooh, and a curb stomp to Seth Rollins. What a way to break the pin. Wait, watch out outside. Look at Daniel Bryan throwing Cesaro out of it. Wait, watch out. And he just threw Dean Ambrose and Daniel Bryan outside. They're both eliminated. I'll focus on Seth Rollins. Look, he has Roman Reigns throwing like a rag doll, and Eddie outside sitting up a table without wire. Seth Rollins and catches him in a big lead. Big finisher. Eddie sending him to come. What is this? Spear, and he messes it and goes to the table. Seth Rollins cups onto the table. Let's take a look to the replay as Rollins misses the spear, and Seth Rollins, who's crazy man, curves onto the table. You might want to look at Eddie. Look at him roll through the table. Watch out, Seth Rollins. Sunset Powerbomb. Oh my fucking god. EWF Wrestling is brought to you by the all-new Capcom Fab Song 3000. You're not just playing games, you're fapping. In source now. And Eddie getting up from the table, Chris. What a shocker! Seth Rollins is giving a handshake. May the best of us win. From here on, anything goes. Eddie, watch out from behind. Joe Boy just sledgehammer. Watch out. Oh my god, what a hit. Look over Seth Rollins. He's at the top of the ladder. And I think he's going for the coast to coast. Seth Rollins. Oh my god. And he's going for the cover. 1, 2. And Eddie kicks out. Oh man, let's just take a replay to this. Let's look at Seth Rollins on the top of the ladder. Go over the coast to coast. Throw a table against Eddie. We haven't seen something like this so far on EWF Wrestling.